Bishop Amindo, it's great to have you here in Sydney. I understand you're here for a few weeks, meeting people in the diocese, catching up with a lot of old friends. What's your time been like since you've been here?
Oh, it has been a very good time, blessed time, because I've had time to rest. I've been working for more than 15 years without any holiday, any rest at all. But this has been a good time for me.
Oh, that's
and my wife, Martha.
Tell us about your responsibilities back in the Diocese of Mara.
Oh, we are leading the Diocese of Mara, which was started in '85, and we have experienced a lot of challenges and good church growth. Last year we had to divide the diocese to form two new other dioceses.
Right.
And this was to bring leadership closer to the people.
Right.
And now the new Diocese of Mara has got 71 parishes.
Right.
And a lot of challenges, especially training for the ministers and starting new congregations.
Tell us about the training college at Boondah.
The training college at Boondah was started last July, and it is doing well with now 27 students in the college. The big challenge is that we have very few resources, and we need to train more evangelists so that we can have more people to come to college in the years to come to train as pastors. And also these evangelists will take care of the churches, the new started congregations. Yeah, that's a big challenge that we have.
And I understand you have a very important food, nutrition and security project called BRAC. Could you tell us about that?
Yeah, this is through the aid of Anglican Aid, the Diocese of Sydney. We managed to help the government by starting a cassava project which enabled the government, the people, to have cuttings for the seeds for the cassava, because we had a terrible disease which actually finished all that we had. And now people, the whole of the region can come to BRAC to get the cuttings, and therefore they have food. But we have realized that there are villages near to our program area which are facing nutritious problem, which the people there are lacking food for nutrition. And our program is thinking of helping those people through, the government has come actually to ask the program, BRAC program, to help the government in this.
Right. And Bishop Amindo, could you tell us something about the value of the discipleship and development project that Anglican Aid and the Diocese of Mara have been in partnership with?
This has been a unique program where we go, on one hand we have the Bible, and on the other hand we have development. And this is holistic, because we are dealing with the whole person in this program. This has been able to be carried out through Anglican Aid. And I'm very, very grateful for the Diocese of Sydney through the Anglican Aid to enable us to start this special program, which has made the people see the church and the light in the community, and that from the church they can receive these good development programs. Yeah. And also they can learn the Bible. They learn the Bible, and at the same time they help themselves. They learn how to help themselves to take care of the community and the families.
Bishop, you've shared with us a number of challenges in your diocese, and you've shared with us a number of joys of that work. It's just been great to have you with us today and this evening, and may the Lord continue to bless you richly in your ministry.
Thank you, David. Thank you for being ready to come and join hands with us.
Thank you.